Today I will show you how to create Ghibli-style images in free. Go to the chatgpt.com, then type "Hi ChatGPT." Then write the text which I wrote. Now upload your images. And write, "Yes, sure, here is the image." Wait 2-3 minutes. It will generate best Ghibli-style images for you. Here is your image. You can simply download your image. Now, you can generate many images. Simply upload your image and write, "Can you convert this image into Ghibli-style image?" Again, wait 2-3 minutes. Your images are here. You can download images from here. Your Ghibli-style images are here. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share, and subscribe.